I don't know the number of the episode that we have, but this is episode next. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today's tutorial is on scene generation. I don't know the number of the episode that we have, but this is episode next. I know the last tutorial that I dropped was on character creation. So this is now scene creation. So if you know you've not seen the rest episode, please just do well to check them before you get to this point, because if you don't check those ones, you will not understand where we are right now. So we are working on a movie. Hope you still remember. I'm not going to remind you. Let's go straight to it. So this is the movie we are working on. If you like, forget. Once I was buying, okay, I think the last class that we are on, I copied it to Word because I was like, we are going to do. Sorry that I'm catching cold. See, you people are stressing me. I'm catching cold this morning, but I was like, no. Even though I have like just few people that are interested in this, so I was like, okay, let me just try and do this tutorial and be over and done with it. So I made mention that when you're working on your movie, you should work on your movie scene by scene. So this is this first scene. So when I copied this, and I saw that there was a flashback because we were going straight to creating the present day scene with the shots, with our short list. This is the short list, right? But I saw that we have a flashback of 4 aesthetic friends in graduation gowns, you know. Then I have my guide here because we have 4 guys. So Emeka, let's go. Let me go and show you our character so that to refresh your memory. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is it. Right, so this is our character. We have Tunde is on glasses. Then Ifoma, which is the girl. Shegun is the one with beers. Then we have what's the last person with no beard? Emeka is the character with no beers. Then you knew how we generated this first scene, right? So to generate that flashback that carries all this face, let's go back to it. 4 aesthetic friends in graduation gown. You know the storyline, and the storyline is about 4 friends. They went to conference, and it's just one of them that got the opportunity, and the one that got the opportunity was the one that was not even dressed properly for the conference or seminar, as the case may be. So toss their caps into the sky, and this is happening at the exterior of Unilag campus. This is where this scene is happening. So to create this, we're going to be using this prompt. I already taught you how to create prompts in the other tutorial. It's very easy. So this is the prompt, although I'm going to drop it so that it can serve as a guide in case you want to create your own. I said use the first image as reference to maintain the face of character A, which is no BS. So which character here is the person with no BS? Emeka. So let's go and attach Emeka. Add to prompt, right? Then use the second image reference to maintain the features of character B, BS. So the person with BS is Shegun. So let's go and attach the person with BS. Add to prompt. Then female character is character C, which is Ifoma. So let's add that. then the last person, which is on glasses. So this is the part that we are creating the flashback. We send that in, right? Don't worry, we'll come back to this scene. So while that is creating, let's come and start working on our movie, because that's just a flashback. It's not, it's just like the intro of the movie that you just feel to show that they've graduated and then back to present day. So it's nothing serious. So we are creating, did you see that? So this has finished generating. So to make this, I'm already thinking cinematic now, very cinematic. I'm going to remove this character. See their face, see the way it maintains their face. So remove the character because I want just that background, so that when we are generating the video, it will just show like the school exterior before we now enter the graduate, and then they will fling their cap. Remove the characters from the scene. So this is our exterior now. I don't know if you're getting the picture. So even though I feel like I'm teaching this thing like you guys do not even know anything, but I know that you have idea of what I'm saying. Please don't stress me. You know, when you're opening scene, then you video this, then it will now go straight to when the characters, and then they will not toss their cap to the sky, you know. I can even say, okay, let's go back to this. Make them wear the graduation caps, right? So let's go back to create our master shot. What is master shot? Master shot is like the opening scene of every movie. As soon as you finish all those your exterior, I think God, this noise. I just hope it's not affecting this thing. Aeroplane is passing, and it's so, it doesn't show. That means this mic is very, very strong. See, so it has created the whole stuff now with them wearing the graduation cap. So let me download upscale. Let's download. Let me download this one too. Always download the upscaled version so that your videos will be very, very cinematic. So to create our master shot, you know, our master shot is like the opening scene of every movie. That is what a master shot is. We are going to use this prompt. I'm going to drop it at the description so that it can guide you whenever you're working on your own movie. Just this prompt, or any other one you have to get my book. So I said use the first image as reference, maintain the facial features of character A, which is the person wearing glass. So I have to attach the image now of the person wearing glass as image 1. Then attach the character B, which is the person on beers, right? Then character C. Character C is the guy on without beers. Then character D, because all of them, they are in that scene. They are in that scene 1. Then the bedroom, add to prompt. So this is our master prompt. So let's make sure everything is intact. Yeah, so let's send that in. So this is how to create your master shot. So from this master shot now, that's where your creativity comes in. You will know whether you want to create close-up shots, wide shots, You follow that short list. Let me show you again. This our short list. You follow it. Extreme close-up shots, close-up, medium shots, wide, although I have a prompt that is also in that book, but I can still show you how it's not hard. So this is the scene that is happening. See the way it captured all of them, right? Tunde, Ifoma, and the rest. Then the failure, whatever that is on the floor. Or should we create another master? Okay, let me send it in. Let's see if it will create another image. The same prompt too. I'm not doing anything. Not changing anything. So sometimes your prompt will be correct, but it will give you different outcome. That's flow for you. So from, let's say this now, I want to create, let's say zoom in, like what this our master shot, our shortlist said. They said extreme close up, right? So I will now say from this image, what do you want to? Okay, it has created another one. So this is another one, but I think I still prefer. I prefer this first one, right? So I will say zoom in to create an extreme close-up shot of the iron on the shirt. Then maintain the exact same. So this is where your creativity comes to play. Maintain the exact same as this exact same. Always put it. So that's one. Then the next one, you are going to go back because we are using the master shot. The master shot. So the next one says close up of Ifoma's face on cracked phone as she applies heavy makeup. I'm sure this is for the dialogue. So let's say zoom in to create cinematic close-up shot of the female character. Maintain the exact scene and action. So let me go and attach her face so that it will not change her face. So this is her face. Maintain the exact scene and action. So this is it. See that one iron now. Are you seeing? So this is when your it's very simple. You just be you use your brain and know how you zoom it. Anybody's face that you want to create, you make sure that you upload the person's face so that when it zooms it in, it will capture it. So what's the next one? It says medium shot of, sorry, I got a call that disconnected that. So as I was saying, the next one is Shegun admiring himself in a broken mirror, adjusting whatever. So Shegun is the person that is standing. Let's go back. So see that one now. It has zoomed it into Ifoma. It's very, very simple. See the master. You just, this is the face. So we're going back now to this first one. So let me go and copy this so that what shot is that safe? Medium shot. So So let's say create, okay, let me just say zoom in. You can still use zoom in, sha. Zoom in to create a cinematic shot of character admiring himself in a broken mirror, adjusting with confidence mark, maintain the exact scene and action. Shagun. So Shekun is the person with beard. So let's upload this image. This is Shagun. Let me add facial features. Send that in. So did you see how easy? So this is where your creativity comes to play. Like sharp, sharp. You have to be creative. It's not hard. Then you create the crumpled hot room showing contrast between Emeka, that is the wide shot. We can even use that master shot for this same one, so you don't even need to create that one. Then the bathroom door, that is that side that Tunde is standing. You can still zoom into Tunde, the person that is looking unkept. Then reaction, this one is from the video generation. To create once you create the zoom in version of Emeka, which is the person with no beard that is ironing, then Shegun, that is the person standing. You can still generate their reaction. Shey see it. This is the Tunde standing here, and then Ifoma, and then what's the name of this other guy? Emeka ironing. So did you see? Was that so hard? It wasn't so hard. So you just let your creativity come to play, so that when they're having conversations, you can be switching it. And so if you want to still create anybody, you come back to this master shot, you zoom in to Tunde, zoom in to Emeka, and then when they are doing their dialogue, I'm going to show you that in the next video. So again, if you find this video very helpful, please comment, share, like, and do all those stuff. See, despite I'm feeling cold or I'm catching cold, I still have to make this video, so you guys help me. I'll see you on my next tutorial, guys. Ciao, 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 ciao.